Flushing an HVAC condensate drain line starts with locating the drain access points and preparing the system for a safe flush. Begin by turning off the air conditioning compressor at the thermostat and the outdoor disconnect to prevent the system from running while you work. Inspect the condensate drain pan and follow the drain line to find the P-trap and a service access, or cleanout. Many systems have a removable cap or a union fitting near the evaporator coil. Remove the P-trap or open the cleanout after placing a small bucket or towels beneath to catch residual water and sludge. Use a stiff plastic brush or a zip tie formed into a loop to manually clear visible debris from the trap and the first few inches of the line, pushing material toward the service access rather than deeper into the building drain. Flush the line slowly with warm water from a funnel or hose until the expelled water runs clear and the flow through the secondary drain, if present, is steady. When a pressurized flush is required, use low-pressure nitrogen or regulated compressed air at no more than 5 pounds per square inch to avoid damaging condensate pans or seams and direct the pressure into the cleanout while holding the opposite end open to vent. After flushing, refill the P-trap with water to re-establish the water seal that prevents sewer gas entry. Then reassemble any removed union fittings or caps and test by running the system briefly to confirm free drainage and no leaks. Common mistakes include using high pressure that can deform or dislodge plastic fittings, which can lead to leaks. So always limit pressure and support fittings while applying any compressed air. Another frequent issue is neglecting to refill the P-trap after flushing, which allows sewer gas and insects into the system. Pour a measured cup of water or enough to fill the trap fully each time you reassemble it. A third problem is failing to inspect for algae or biofilm buildup that will quickly reclog a cleaned line. Treat the line periodically with a small amount of liquid enzyme cleaner or a diluted household bleach solution. Then flush thoroughly and document the treatment date for routine maintenance. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners locate local contractors and share project experiences so you can find people who have handled similar condensate drain work. We also help contractors find work and join our community discussion forums where members exchange tips, ask questions, and post before and after notes.